A tree from which the juice from pounded leaves is made to treat scabies and other skin diseases. What a fantastic tree it is! Introducing Talisay terminalia katap of the family Combritaceae. Talisay is a fast-growing, medium-sized deciduous tree growing along the country's seashores. It is the country's most common and popular beech forest tree species. Talisay produces good quality timber for house and boat construction, making furniture, and cabinets. Its wood is hard and heavy, but it is known to attract termites. The fruit's pulp is sweet, while the kernel tastes like almonds. The seeds of talisay are edible. Dried fruits are used with other materials in floral decor. Talisay leaves are used as a poultice on the forehead to relieve headaches. A decoction of the leaves is used to treat dysentery, diarrhea, and fever. It is also used to expel worms and is reportedly a remedy for gonorrhea. Juice from pounded leaves is made into an ointment to treat scabies and other skin diseases. The sap of young leaves is cooked with kernel oil and is used for patients with leprosy. Bark infusion is used to treat intestinal ailments in infants and children and manage sores around the tongue and gums. Bark and leaves provide black dye for ink, tanning leather, and dyeing cloth. Talisay is the only tree species that emulates autumn in the tropical Philippines as its leaves turn from green to yellow to red-orange and finally red before the shade off. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.